Insalata di cetriolo. Italians like our greens. So a nice salad, quick salad of cucumber and red onion, and you slice it, some coarse salt, and you let it steep for about a half an hour. Then you rinse it, just like that. And again, you want to dry. Whenever you do a salad and you have washed it and you drained it, yes, but still there's some, you see some water kind of clinging. Take a towel, a clean towel, and just go in there and toss it like that with the towel, and the towel will collect some of that leftover, you see? Some of that leftover water, and then we're ready to dress it. Okay. So to this, you have the cucumbers, we have the onions, and they're a little wilted from the salt that has pulled out that extra water. Celery, you have it all year round. It's inexpensive, and it adds flavor and crunch. I love it in a salad. I use the celery and I chop it like that, but also the leaves. Sometimes you worry, what am I going to do with the leaves? You cut off the leaves. The leaves are great for stock and soups and whatever, but also in a salad, just like that. Give it a toss a little bit so the ingredients mix up. That's it. Just a little bit of honey and just a little bit to give it that kind of other dimension, if you will. And that's enough. Red wine vinegar, olive oil, and some fresh ground pepper. And a nice tossing. Now, this salad could be made in advance. Now, I'm not saying a day in advance, but certainly an hour or two. It is great also for buffets because it really retains its shape, its color, and its crunch. Okay. You can present it just like this. So. Now, how do you like that? That looks really delicious. Let me just make a little dish of my own right here. If you're gonna do it individually, then I would just pile it up like that. It's beautiful. And we have some left over. This is good. It's good even the day after, but it does wilt a little bit. Okay, that one is for the table. But you know what? I'll actually go right in here. So, celery, a cucumber, and an onion. I have all three of them. Deliciously crunchy, and it will go great with our fish.